Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce Android Auto and CarPlay on this head unit Android 0.0 special Volvo S60, Volvo V70 2024 year. Okay, you can check this UI interface. Special head unit to Volvo. Okay, let me check. You can choose time, you can choose logo. Let me check. You can Belsee is a manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and email address you can contact to us. You can choose the logo, choose Volvo. Okay, let me back to home. It changed the Volvo. Okay, you can change the theme color. You can set blue and other color on this panel. Okay. Let me choose the Belsee logo. And back the theme color with red. Okay, let me check the settings. System. You can check model is PX5, Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. Let me back to home. You can check this car Android Auto and CarPlay adapter. Okay, let me open the box. Okay, you will get the use manual and USB adapter. Okay, let me check the use manual. You can check this Android Auto, iPhone Carplay. Okay. This is adapter, USB, two USB ports, and you can check AutoKit USB adapter. Okay, let me introduce the Android Auto at first. You need to install application AutoKit from USB. This USB driver. There are two USB cables from back of head units. Okay, when you connect it, okay, it will play music automatically. Volume control. Okay, let me back the home. Okay. You need to please take out this screen protector before using. Take out this screen protector. Okay. You let me install AutoKit from USB. You can check this AutoKit APK. AutoKit. Please install this application. You can get it from Belsee. Please click below. Okay, it should plug and play. Settings. Please check the work mode. Speed fluently compatible. Okay. Let me introduce the Android Auto. At first, this is my Galaxy S8 from Samsung, Galaxy S8 Plus. Let me open the phone. You can check, and you need to install Android Auto as first from your phone. Okay. Let me check the setting. button you can check Galaxy S Plus. Check the software. Android version is 8.0 Oreo system. Okay. You need a USB port, USB cable from original USB. Okay, this is the adapter. You can connect USB cable. Okay, this connect the one of USB cable. Okay, connected. Okay, it will show this information. Please click OK. Okay, this USB connect. It shows connecting. Okay, it shows the Android Auto. So its working model is speed. Android Auto on Volvo head unit from Belsee. Okay. Okay, you can touch control. This home. You can play music. You can play music from Spotify and Google Play Music. You also can play it. Pandora, Spotify. Okay, you can return it. Okay, this is Android Auto work. Let me introduce CarPlay. Okay. This is my iPhone XS, iPhone XS. Okay. Let me open the phone. You can check this iPhone. Let me check the setting. You need to open the enable Siri. Siri. Okay, please enable. Have to enable. Okay. Let me check software. You can check the software information. iOS 12.1 version. Okay. You need a USB cable original from Apple. Original USB. Okay, connect one of USB. Connect CarPlay adapter. This USB port connect. Okay, it will show the connecting. Okay, it shows the CarPlay. CarPlay also working on Belsee Android head unit. Okay, you can this UI interface, the maps. You can touch screen maps. Okay. You have fun. You can play music and play video message. Okay, that's all. We disconnect. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.